Let's learn Hindi Swarmala with words and pictures. Are you ready? Let's begin. The first alphabet is A, that is smaller. First word from A is Amrud. Amrud means guava. Another word from A is Ajgar. Ajgar means python. Next word from A is Adrak. Adrak means ginger. Another word from A is Anar. Anar means pomegranate. Now let's read the words again. A se Amrud. A se Ajgar. A se Adrak. A se Anar. Next alphabet is A, that is big A. First word from A is Aag. Aag means fire. Another word from A is Aloo. Aloo means potato. Next word from A is Aam. Aam means mango. Another word from A is Abhushan. Abhushan means ornaments. Now let's read these words again. A se Aag, A se Aloo, A se Abhushan, A se Aam. Next alphabet is E, that is small e. First word from E is Imli. Imli means tamarind. Another word from E is Istri. Istri means iron box. Next word from E is Imarat. Imarat means building. Another word from E is Ilaichi. Ilaichi means cardamom. Now let's read these words again. E se Imli, E se Istri, E se Imarat, E se Ilaichi. Next alphabet is E, that is big E. First word from E is Eid. Eid is a festival of Muslim community. Another word from E is Eek. Eek means sugar cane. Next word from E is Eat. Eat means brick. Another word from E is Isa. Isa means Lord Jesus. Now let's read these words again. E se Eid. E se Eek. E se Eat. E se Isa. Oo, that is small oo. First word from oo is Ullu. Ullu means owl. Another word from oo is Uday. Uday means rice. Next word from oo is Udna. Udna means fly. Another word from oo is Ulta. Ulta means reverse. Now let's read these words again. U se Ullu. U se Uday. U se Udna. U se Ulta. Next alphabet is Oo, that is big Oo. First word from big Oo is Upar. Upar means up. Another word from Oo is Oon. Oon means wool. Next word from Oo is Oot. Oot means camel. Another word from Oo is Urja. Urja means energy. Now let's read these words again. U se Upar. U se oon, u से ऊंट, ऊ से urja. Next alphabet is Re. First word from Re is Rishi. Rishi means sage. Another word from Re is Rin. Rin means loan. Next word from Re is Ritu. Ritu means seasons. Another word from Re is Rishab. Rishab means bull. Now let's read these words again. Re se Rishi. Re se Rin. Re se Ritu. Re se Rishab. Next alphabet is A. The first word from A is Asia. Asia means a continent. Another word from A is AD. AD means heel. Next word from A is Ek. Ek means one. Another word from A is Ekta. Ekta means unity. Now let's read these words again. A se Asia. A se AD. A se Ekta. Ek se Ek. Next alphabet is I. First word from I is Airavat. Airavat means elephant. Another word from I is Ainak. Ainak means spectacles. Next word from I is Ahlan. Ahlan means announcement. Another word from I is Aina. Aina means mirror. Now let's read these words again. I say Airavat. I say Ainak. I say Ahlan. I say Aina. Next alphabet is O. First word from O is Odani. Odani means veil or shawl. Another word from O is Hot. Hot means lips. Next word from O is Os. Os means dews. Another word from O is Oakley. Oakley means mortar. Now let's read these words again. O se Odni. O se Hot. O se Os. O se Oakley. Next alphabet is Au. First word from Au is Aushadhi. Aushadhi means medicine. Another word from Au is Audi. Audi is a luxurious car. Next word from Au is Aulad. Aulad means children. Another word from Au is Aurat. Aurat means women. Now let's read these words again. Au se Aushadhi. Au se Audi. Au se Aulad. Au se Aurat. Next alphabet is Ang. First word from Ang is Anguthi. Anguthi means ring. Another word from Ang is Angutha. Angutha means thumb. Next word from Ank is Ank. Ank means numbers. Another word from Ank is Angur. Angur means grapes. Now let us read these words again. Ang se Anguthi. Ang se Angutha. Ang se Ank. Ang se Angur. Next alphabet is Aha. First word from Aha is Namaha. Namaha means greet. Another word from Aha is Punah. Punah means again. Next word from aha is chhe. Chhe means 6. Another word from aha is pratah. Pratah means morning. Now let's read these words again. Aha se namah, punah, chhe, pratah. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Children, if you enjoyed our video, please like, share and subscribe for more videos.